Today we're in Wellington CBD, Schindler 3300. Here it is. It's a keypad. No, that's not. Oh, it's taking me to 0. Oh, it's taking me down because I pressed 0. Okay, I did not want to do that. Nice cat. Okay. Okay, 7. 7 is a floor, we're going to 7. Indicator is a bit hard to see. My first Schindler keypad lift. Well, Schindler 3300 keypad should be saying. Capacity 1000 kgs. You press star, it takes us back to 0. Doesn't talk. Beautiful cab. Sorry for the shakes. This is a beautiful lift. We are at 0. It's weird because when I came to, you know what's even weirder? When I came to Wellington this morning, I thought to myself how nice it would be to find one of these, and I did. Awesome. Well, that's it.